Managing your recruitment pipeline is simple in Manatal. But if you don't integrate it with KrispCall, conversations with prospects and clients simply lose track. That changes with Manatal integration in KrispCall. It auto-syncs contacts and call activities and enables making calls and sending SMS all within Manatal, making recruitment phone interactions truly hassle-free. Follow these steps to connect these two powerful platforms in minutes. Sign up and log in to your KrispCall account. Then go to Settings, navigate Integrations, search for Manatal and click Connect. Next, a pop-up will ask for your Manatal API key and email. Now head over to your Manatal account. Click your profile icon, go to Administration, then to Features. Then click on Open API, click on Generate New Token, and copy it. Head back to KrispCall, enter the details, and click Connect Now. Once the integration is complete, customize its settings to match your workflow. In General Settings, toggle to enable or disable sync preference for contacts and notes. In Workflow Settings, select specific log activities to sync in Manatal. And in Connected Numbers, add one or more phone numbers for calls and SMS to be used in the integration. After that, start creating and importing contacts in KrispCall. Then head over to your Manatal dashboard and check they all sync in real time without duplication. With your contacts ready, you can easily reach out to prospects and clients without leaving Manatal. First, install the KrispCall Dialer extension in your browser to make calls and send SMS. Then, next to a number, click the KrispCall icon and choose Call. When the dialer opens, talk to your contact directly in Manatal. During the call, add notes that sync directly under the respective candidate. After the call ends, sync each call log along with its recording, all in one place. Sending SMS works the same way. Click the KrispCall icon and select SMS. When the dialer opens, type your message and send it. Outgoing SMS messages are logged under each candidate's profile. Missed calls are covered too. Activated voicemails sync as recordings in the call logs, so you can listen, respond appropriately, and make more informed recruitment decisions. Keep your calls, SMS, and recruitment workflows perfectly in sync, without switching tools or losing context. Start closing roles faster. Manage your recruiting pipeline without extra effort. Visit KrispCall.com and integrate Manatal today.